Hey guys, welcome back. Today it's all about the 86 Ranger and about our safety stuff. Today we're going to talk about seat belts. What we have here, we need to do some upgrading on our seat belts. These are the driver's side. I got pulled out of the factory belts. They're from 86. They're blue. Originally this truck was blue. They're gross, grimy, covered in just dirt, grease, farts, and spilled soda. You don't really want to trust yourself going over 100 miles an hour to something like this. Our upgrade are some new belts and retractors we got from a place called Seatbelt Planet. Seatbeltplanet.com. Well, they are not a sponsor, and they could be. They make some pretty decent stuff here. We got these colored. Black with a red stripe, kind of match the paint job on the Ranger, but in reverse. Anytime you're going fast, with like this truck, it's not super fast, but it traps it over 100 miles an hour, and with the nitrous and everything, probably 110 miles an hour. Don't really want to trust yourself to these old ratty belts. So we got some new belts. We've got the driver's side out. We're going to pull out the passenger side. We'll get these new belts put in, and we'll show you what they look like. Okay guys, we're back. Got the seat belts put in, only took about an hour. It's real simple. It's 4 bolts out, 4 bolts in. I didn't think I needed to show you the process. You know how to take bolts in and out of cars. And then here's what the final product looks like. They have the new lap attachments. Black with the red, like I said, to contrast the color in the paint. The retractors, all brand new, new hardware, new, everything nice and clean. Works very well. Like I said, works well. Clips in real nice. Looks real good. Release is easy. Retracts smooth and quiet like it should. And like I said, big upgrade. You know, not fancy, not anything like that, but super important for your safety. Alright guys, and you can see we got one more upgrade coming, but we're waiting on some parts. For today guys, again, a real short video, but go ahead and do all the normal YouTube stuff. Click like, subscribe, thumb, bell, all the stuff. Go ahead and look below for my other videos, and then we'll see you next time. Thanks.